If your masters sound quite flat or just off compared to commercial tracks, it's probably not your mix, it's your mastering chain. Here's a track I mastered using nothing but 3 Waves plugins.
I've been here and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. I have been here and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. Yeah, yeah.
That jump in loudness and clarity? That's not magic. It's a specific chain order most people get wrong. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact Waves plugins, the settings, and the order, so you can master your own tracks like a pro today. Quick clarification before we dive in, I'm not the real person, I'm the digital avatar of DJ Legion. While DJ Legion is working on music, courses, and new videos, I'm here voicing his content written, reviewed, and approved by him personally. Let's start with why so many home masters sound weak. It usually comes down to 3 things: no game staging, the wrong plugin order, and pushing loudness before fixing tonal balance. Here's a raw mix. Listen to how thin the low end is and how harsh those highs get.
I've been here and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. I have been here and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. Yeah, yeah.
Mastering isn't about slamming a limiter on the master bus, it's a process: EQ, then compression or glue, then limiting in that order with intention behind every move. If you want to actually understand why each step matters, not just copy settings blindly, that's exactly what I teach inside Audio Mastering Like a Pro. It walks you through building a mastering chain from scratch, the same way working engineers think through it, so you're never just guessing at knobs again. Links in the description if you want to go deeper after this video. First in the chain, the F6. This is a dynamic EQ, meaning it only reacts when a frequency gets too loud instead of cutting it all the time. On a master, this is perfect for taming harsh resonances like a snappy 3 kHz spike or boomy low mids without dulling the rest of the track. Here's how I set it: narrow Q, threshold pulled down until it's only catching the loudest peaks. Watch the gain reduction. You want it kissing the signal, not squashing it. If this kind of breakdown is helping you hear mastering differently, hit subscribe. I post a new mixing or mastering deep dive every single week. Next up, glue compression. The SSL J Master Bass Comp is the classic choice here, and for good reason. This isn't about squashing dynamics, it's about gluing all the elements of your mix into one cohesive thing. Slow attack, fastest release, ratio around 2:1, and barely 1-2 dB of gain reduction. What's the meter? If you're seeing more than 2-3 dB moving, you're probably overdoing it. Subtle is the goal. Last in the chain, the L2 Ultra Maximizer. This is your loudness plugin, and it goes last always. Set your ceiling around -1 dB true peak, then slowly bring up the threshold until you're hitting your target loudness without crashing the transient into mush. Here's the trap. Cranking this too hard kills the punch you worked so hard to keep in your mix. Small moves, trust your ears over the meter.
Yeah, yeah.
So to recap the order: F6 for problem frequencies, SSL Bass Comp for glue, L2 for final loudness. That's the chain. Let's run the full track through it from scratch start to finish, so you can see and hear exactly how each stage builds on the last.
I've been here, and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. I have been here, and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. Yeah, yeah. I've been here, and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. I have been here, and my heart is waiting. Don't just say you're sorry, 'cause you know, 'cause you know. Yeah, yeah.
If you want me to break down a track you've mixed, drop a link in the comments. I pick a few each week to feature in upcoming videos. That's the chain. 3 plugins, 1 clear order, and a master that actually competes with commercial releases. So that's how I use the F6, the SSL bass compressor, and the L2 to master a track from start to finish. Try this chain on your next track and let me know in the comments how it compares to your usual workflow. See you in the next one.